In this video, I want to demonstrate how to use the motion study to make a video of my part exploding. So first, I'm going to make sure I have my part shown in the exploded configuration as I do here. Then I'm going to move down to the motion study, and I'm going to use the animation wizard. So I'll select it. I'll select the radio button to make an explosion, and then I'll select next. For my duration, I'm going to set it to 4.5 seconds, and I'm going to delay the start for half a second. Then I'll click Finish, and the motion study is created, and I can see that here. And to see the motion study, I'll click Play. So I've created a simple animation of my part exploding, and if I want to save this as a video to send to the customer, I'll select Save Animation. Next, I'd like to make it so my part slowly rotates around while it explodes. To do that, I'm going to come back to the animation wizard, and I'm going to tell it to rotate the model. Select Next. I want my model to rotate about the y-axis for 1 revolution and clockwise while it explodes. So I'll select Next. I'll set the duration to 4.5 seconds and the start time to half a second and tell it to finish. And to see this, I'll come back and tell it to recalculate the motion study. And when I get the ding, 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 it's calculated it successfully, and I'll play it one more time to make sure it works. And I can see my part rotating while it explodes, and now I'm ready to save the ABI file to send to the customer.